Welcome to our guide on using a web browser. Let's explore what a web browser is and its role in our online experience. Choosing the right web browser is essential. Consider factors like speed, security, and compatibility with your needs. The browser interface includes toolbars and navigation buttons. Familiarizing yourself with these tools is key to efficient browsing. Tabs allow you to open multiple web pages within a single window. Let's learn how to manage them effectively. The address bar is where you can enter URLs or search queries. Let's see how to use it smartly. Saving and organizing your favorite sites with bookmarks makes accessing them easy. Here's how to do it. Your browsing history helps you keep track of visited sites. Here's how to access and clear it when needed. Customizing your browser settings is crucial for a personalized experience. Let's take a look at some essential preferences. Extensions and add-ons enhance your browser's functionality. Discover how to find and install them. Experiencing issues with your browser? Here are some tips and tricks to troubleshoot common problems.